often do you truly play? Get out there and have some good old-fashioned fun. Think about it. When's the last time you were on a swing? Or at the park? Or flew a kite? Let's just stop for a second and imagine, especially because of the power of video, you can watch and imagine. So stop, think, close your eyes. See the swings? Let's let your mind play for a while. Can you feel it? The back and forth, the up and down, the breeze against your face, the sky touching your toes, the excitement of getting that little bit higher with every additional swing. This moment you're thinking about, this is the stuff of wonder and joy. This is what makes the little kid in us reemerge. It's what keeps us curious and engaged. All of it, every last little bit of it. This is play at its best.